Well, you know, Beverly, turning 30 might not be that bad a thing after all. And of course, we have Gul and Prakash ji to tell us why. So, Prakash, first of all, can you tell us why turning 30 may not be that bad a thing, especially for women?
Well, they turn more beautiful, they turn more sensible, they turn more exciting, you know.
I can see she's really nodding in, you know, she's like...
I've coached Prakash ji very well because you see he hasn't turned 30 yet. So he asked me, you know, what do you think I should say when I'm asked? So I give him all these answers to all these questions, and he's doing a very good job of answering them exactly how he was meant to.
So you know what women at 30 do? They teach and they coach and they tell you what to say.
Okay, great. And she, of course, is doing a very good job, at least right now.
Very good job. Very good job. And what next?
Well, you are trained to answer the question she asks.
Yeah.
So each time you ask the question, you get an answer.
Ah, like that. Okay. Let me first of all start with, you know, of course, Prakash ji, you're known for picking subjects that are unconventional, really sticking to your beliefs. So a film like Turning 30, why did it appeal to you?
Because it is, you know, I mean, different, because it has a beautiful story, and because I love the characters in the film, and because it was brought to me by Alankrita.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And why did
And it is unconventional. It is a story that hasn't been told before. And when the name of Prakash Productions is associated with a film, you can be rest assured it's going to be something that hasn't been seen before, and a treatment that has not been witnessed before, and a film that's honest.
Okay. And of course, when we talk about Turning 30, if you had to sort of tell a lot of viewers who are watching Night Out right now, what's the one thing you definitely should do before you turn 30? What would that be? Okay, I'll start with her. Ladies first for a change.
Get a job and contribute to Productive India.
Okay, oh my God, that's a really serious answer. Prakasha is wanting to give something slightly more fun.
Well, just keep finding yourself.
Okay.
You know.
That's very profound, I have to say.
Both of us are very profound.
Very
I'm
profound.
serious and he's profound.
Okay, great. I hope I get a little more profound after this interview, and definitely go and watch Turning 30, right?
And you too.
I will, definitely.
Jan 14th, near your cinema.
Jan 14th. So, go and watch Turning 30. This is Divyani signing off for Night Out.